jingle and tingle, don't burn the Christmas cookie's tail. In a glen named Jingleville, where the snowflakes twirled, lived Twinkle and Jingle in a holiday world. With antlers tall and hearts so light, they embarked on a baking adventure one frosty night. The kitchen was buzzing with a festive flair. Grandma's secret cookie recipe filled the air. Twinkle and Jingle, a baking pair, ready to create with love to spare. With ginger and spice, the aroma in the air, they mixed and stirred with utmost care. The scent of cookies, sweet and neat, dancing around them, a delightful treat. Grandma whispered, "Listen close, my dears. Baking's a dance, no room for fears. Keep an eye on the oven, don't let it get too hot, or our cookies might just hit a bumpy, burnt spot." Twinkle nodded. "Understood, Grandma, we're sharp. No burning cookies, we'll be on the mark." In the oven the cookies did glide, awaiting the magic, side by side. But oh dear, in the holiday chatter, Twinkle and Jingle's focus began to scatter. They hummed a tune, so sweet and light, suddenly realizing the oven was in sight. Smoke billowed out with a clattering sound. The cookies were browning, a shade too brown. They rushed to the oven in a festive stumble to rescue the cookies from a toasty tumble. With mitts on their hooves, they danced with glee, rescuing the cookies, 1, 2, and 3. Grandma chuckled, "A close call, you two. Holidays are about joy, not cookies askew." They frosted the cookies in hues so bright, white, red, and green, a joyful sight. As they bit into cookies, still warm and sweet, Twinkle and Jingle learned baking is a delightful feat. So in Jingleville on that magical night, Twinkle and Jingle got their baking just right. No burnt cookies, just laughter and cheer, a lesson learned crystal clear. And every Christmas, as snow gently falls, Twinkle and Jingle deck the festive halls. Baking cookies with joy in a sweet ballet, no burning, just delight in a sugary array. The end. And a Merry Christmas to all in Jingleville, where snowflakes gently fall.